Carbonara pasta means pasta with cured pork and egg, which don't work well if you don't have a fridge. We'll adapt this to a boat version. Pork is hard to keep without a fridge, so this boat version will use ready-to-eat bacon bits. Egg also needs a fridge, so this version will use evaporated milk. And we'll use grocery store grated parmesan that doesn't need a fridge, with a bit of non-traditional garlic and onion, so it's almost like a fettuccine. But we'll make a real fettuccine in a later episode. And even further from tradition, we'll use bow tie pasta instead of spaghetti, simply because we have some. Let's cook. So this is our lot of ingredients. Be aware that some, like the milk, need to go in the fridge once opened. Let's chop some garlic. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Let's chop an onion. Let's boil the pasta using bottled water. 3 ounces, about 100 grams, or about a cup of pasta for one person. The package says boil for 11 minutes. And drain. Let's put the pasta aside and fry up the garlic and onion. We'll quickly brown the garlic and onion in some olive oil for about a minute. Don't let the onion burn. Add the pre-cooked bacon bits and let them heat. And put back the pasta. Over low heat, add about half a cup of milk. Let it come to a slight boil. Add a 1/4 cup of grated parmesan, stirring constantly. Add remaining milk while stirring until nice and creamy. Add the remaining milk while stirring until nice and creamy. Let it sit without heat for a minute or two. Add pepper. And salt to taste. Serve. Enjoy!